My name is Ryan Gray. I work for the Arizona Masonry Council. I do workforce development and outreach training. So we're here today at 4th Avenue Middle School doing some outreach training with these wonderful students here. Just the basics of spreading mortar, buttering your brick, and building a brick wall, concrete wall. You're going to raise your handle up high. You just want the tip of your trowel bounce off the board. What does that do? That sets this mortar so that it will not fall off my trowel. Okay? I promise you.
Our project this week was building things with mud and cement and bricks. We just had to put some mud and bricks on top of each other just to get a feeling of how it is to work with bricks, mud, and concrete and other things that are usable in building.
And this week we did a pizza oven. We also did tutorials on how to do it, like on the bricks. And then that's what we kicked out today. It kind of looked easy on some videos, but as soon as you work, it really got our clothes dirty, but some people didn't mind. I didn't mind either.
It's kind of hard to some people and kind of not, but you just need to deal with the process, keep your good attitude in, and try your best.
That is the main hope, is that they go into join our workforce and our apprenticeship program and so on. We have some good contractors here in the Yuma area that are looking for help all the time.